suede boots. It's choreographed by Taren Wilhelm. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance. It has tags on the ends of walls 2 and 5 and a tag restart on wall 4 after the first 8 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about tag 1 and where it happens and how to do the tag restart as well as the ending. And then we're going to go through and dance 6 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn blue suede boots. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to lindy to the right, so we're going to step our right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, step your right foot to the right side. You're going to rock your left foot behind your right and recover onto your right foot. We're now going to do a modified lindy to the left, stepping your left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left, step your left foot to the left side. We're going to take our right toe, we're going to cross it behind our left. We're going to unwind a full turn over our right shoulder, putting our weight onto our right foot to return to 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, doing your lindy to the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do hip bumps to the left. So you're going to touch your left toe to the left side. You're going to bump your hip left, right, and step down onto your left foot as you bump your hip to the left. We're now going to make a half turn over our right shoulder. As we touch our right toe to the right side, you're going to bump your hip right, left, right, stepping down onto your right foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side. You're going to cross your right behind your left. Step your left foot to the left side, and then we're going to do heel switches, placing your right heel forward. Quickly step your right next to your left, place your left heel forward, and then quickly step your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right. You're doing your hip bumps to the left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and. Section 3. We're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, and we're going to do a half shuffle over our right shoulder. We're going to make a quarter turn, stepping our right foot to the right side. Step your left next to your right, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, doing a big step to the left and drag your right foot into your left. We're now going to do a counterclockwise hip roll, rolling your hips around from left to right and putting your weight back onto your left foot. Now, when you do this hip roll, you can add as much of your body in it as you want. You can kind of make it a little sassy. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our quick step together with our left. You're going to do your rock half shuffle. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight is on your left foot. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do a rocking chair. So we're going to rock our right foot forward, recover back onto your left foot, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. We're now going to do 2-step half pivots. You're going to step forward with your right foot, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. You're going to step forward with your right foot, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to return to 3 o'clock, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our hip rolls. You're going to do your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the end of the dance, and you will go into your lindy to the right. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your lindy to the right, rock back, recover, lindy with your touch full unwind, hip bump, half hip bump, side behind ball, heel step, rock, recover, half shuffle, quarter drag, and your hip roll, right rocking chair, and step half pivot, step half pivot. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your lindy to the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about tag 1. Tag 1 is what's going to happen on the ends of walls 2 and 5. It is 16 counts. Weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do diagonal step together, step touch to the right and the left. When we're going to the right, you're going to do shoop arms. And when we go to the left, you're going to give yourself a hug. So we're stepping our right foot into that right diagonal, Step your left foot next to your right. Step your right foot into the diagonal and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step into the left diagonal, bringing your hands into a hug motion, and you can kind of do extra shimmies or whatever you want in this part. You're going to step your left foot into the diagonal, step your right next to your left, step your left foot into the diagonal, and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts, doing your shoop steps to the right and the left diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2 of tag 1, we're going to do step back with body rolls. So we're going to step back with our right foot, and you're going to roll your body starting with your head and shoulders going back and sit. We're now going to quickly step our left next to our right. You're going to touch your right toe back and roll your body back, putting your weight onto your right foot. We're now going to quickly step our left next to our right, and you're going to sweep your right from front to back. You're going to step back with your right and sweep your left from front to back. Step back with your left and sweep your right from front to back. Step back with your right and sweep your left from front to back, and then quickly step your left next to your right, and then you're ready to start the dance over again. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our last diagonal step together, step touch. You're doing your back with body rolls. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and start all over again with your Lindy. Now, you can add whatever extra arm motions you would like into those body rolls. You can bring your hands up your body as you roll and up to the air, and then drop them as you do your sweeps. You can have some fun with it. So now let's do the tag all the way through, one time with steps, one time with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your step together, step touch into the diagonal. So we're going right together, right touch, left together, left, touch back body, roll ball, sweep, 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 sweep ball. We're ready to start with your Lindy to the right. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left, doing your shoop. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're ready to start all over again. And you can make those sweeps as big as you want. Now, that's going to happen on the end of wall 2, so you will do it facing 6 o'clock, and then you will go into wall 3. You'll dance wall 3 all the way through, and then wall 4 is our short wall. We're only going to dance 8 counts and then do tag 2. And then wall 5 will be the last time that you do the long tag. So tag 2 and that restart is going to happen facing the side wall. We'll be facing 9 o'clock, just finishing our back wall after our tag. We're going to do the first 4 counts of the dance, which is our Lindy to the right. So you're going to do your side together, side, rock, back, recover. Now from here, we're going to do a really fast run in place, making a 3/4 turn over your left shoulder. You have 7 counts to run left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and then kick your right foot forward. And you want to hit parts in the music. So this is a drum part. So it's going to go do, 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 and you want to hit that. And then you're going to end with that right kick as you're ready to start the dance over again. So we're turning over our left shoulder in place, making it nice and small, stepping left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, kick. And then you're ready to start all over again. If it's easy to think of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, feel free to do it that way as well. You just want to run in place. So the speed that you do it is kind of up to you, as long as you're able to do that kick with your right to start over again. So when we do this kick, you're then going to go into your Lindy and start the dance all over again. That will continue our rotation. That will become wall 5. We will dance wall 5 all the way through, and then when we finish wall 5, we'll be facing the side wall. You will dance that tag again with your shoops and then your back body roll, and you will do that all over again on that wall. Now let's talk about the ending. The dance is going to end facing 6 o'clock. We're going to do a modified version of the first 4 counts and then add on our ending. So we're going to start by doing our side together, side to the right, stepping right, side, left together, right side. You're now going to touch your left toe behind your right. You're going to unwind a half turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 12 o'clock And then we're gonna run in place, stepping right, left, right, left, right, left, and then kick your right foot forward with a flex toe, just like you would for the run around tag, except for we're not gonna run around, you're just gonna do it in place, staying at 12 o'clock. Your turn will happen as you unwind instead of rocking. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're gonna dance 6 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transitions between all of the tags and restarts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our Lindy, so it's Lindy to the right, rock back, recover. Side together, side touch behind, full unwind, left hip bump, right half hip bump, step side, behind ball, heel step, rock, recover, half shuffle, quarter drag, and your hip roll, rocking chair, step half pivots. Now Lindy, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do your tag diagonal. Step together, step, touch, step together, step, touch, back body, roll ball, sweep, 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 sweep ball. Start your Lindy, Lindy to the right, rock back, recover. Side together, side touch behind, full unwinded, left hip bump, right half hip bump, side behind ball, heel step, rock, recover, half shuffle, quarter drag, and your hip roll, rocking chair, half pivots. Now we're gonna do the first 4 counts, Lindy, 1 and 2, 3, 4, run around over your left shoulder, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, kick, start over, Lindy, rock back, recover, side together, side touch behind, full unwind, left hip bump, half right hip bump, side behind ball, heel step, rock, recover, half shuffle, quarter drag, with your hip roll. Now your rocking chair and your half pivots. Do tag 1, your step together into the diagonal, step together, step, touch, step together, step, touch, back roll. It's 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and Lindy, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn blue suede boots. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
I'm looking at you, you're looking at me.